Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello, viewers. Welcome once again to my channel. My name is Mohammed Anwar, and you're watching my channel, Mohammed Anwar and Education for Us All. So, welcome to our kitchen once more to the segment Cooking Made Simple. Okay, so we are continue with our Ramzan theme, and something else that always makes iftari that much more wonderful is chaat. So we're going to show you our very simple chaat that we prepare every day. So the key ingredient is chickpeas. So it's going to be a Chana Chaat. So we have chickpeas, we have potatoes, we have cucumber, and we have tomatoes, and we will also have onions. Okay, which they couldn't fit on the table. Okay, so we will show you the spices as we go along. Nazreen, खुश आमदीद. ये है जी हमारा बहुत ही सिंपल चना चाट रेसिपी. तो आपको हर स्टेज दिखाएंगे क्या क्या हम डालते हैं. Okay, can we make a start? So I forgot another key ingredient is yogurt, of course. So 1, 2, 3 large tablespoons of yogurt, and into that goes the chaat masala. So you can make your own, or you can cheat like we are and do the shop version. So that needs mixing really well. So we are going to thin it a little bit, because we put rather a lot of yogurt. Okay, we've got some onions going in there. So cucumbers and tomato. It really is easy. Okay, chickpeas. So again, we've got these out of a can, so they're already cooked. And into that we are going to cut potatoes. So to your taste or to your size, we're making large chunky ones. This really is a simple recipe that everybody can make, and the taste is just brilliant. It's obviously, the chaat masala that you use, that you make. Okay, give that a good mix, and our very simple chaat is almost ready. So as I say, all the ingredients were not here, these were in the fridge. So this is coriander. Yeah, so chaat and coriander go together. Lovely. And that obviously gives it the aroma, and the taste is lovely as well. And as a finishing touch, a little bit more yogurt on top. Okay, that is lovely for iftari. And a little bit more masala as per taste. Okay, so it's entirely up to you how spicy you like it. There we have it, viewers. Lovely, very simple chaat masala. And when you've kept a fast and for 7-8 hours, the spices and the simple flavors that come through is absolutely wonderful. So I do hope you're going to try and follow the recipe and make our very simple Chana Chaat. Okay, so until the next time, as always I say, please keep following, please keep watching, watch fully Tell all your friends about the channel. Until the next time, goodbye. Look after yourselves and look after others. नाज़रीन उम्मीद है आप ये हमारी सिंपल चाट रेसिपी जो अफ्तार टाइम क्या कहें अप्रिशिएट होती है जब इसके फ्लेवर्स ज़ुबान पर और मुंह पर आए तो there we have it. अपना ख्याल रखना, दूसरों का ख्याल रखना, दुआओं में याद रखना. Goodbye, Allah Hafiz, Allah Negeban.